So this is day 2 with Kai, or Hank, we're not sure yet. This is Kaiser. We're having an issue with him nipping actually. He's 3 months and almost 2 weeks old now. The first clip you guys saw of him, he was 2 days after we got him, and he was 8 weeks when we got him. We took him to the vet yesterday for his 3-month checkup, and like his shots and stuff, so they weighed him for us. I guessed that he was 27 pounds. You guessed he was what?
32 pounds, and he ended up being 31.3.
So you won. So this is our big monster. He's a King German Shepherd. He is at the top end, I think, actually for being a German Shepherd in weight right now. So we're upping his food to 2 cups in the morning, and then he still gets the cup and a half in the afternoon and the cup and a half at night.
Yeah, he eats a lot.
He does eat a lot, and he's lean. Like, the vet wasn't concerned about his weight at all, but we want to make sure that he's growing nice and big.
Yeah.
We have him on like Acadia, I think is the food, or Canna.
A Canna, something like that.
And which is apparently a really good puppy food, and he's on the large breed. What
Yeah.
are you doing? Stop it, this hurts. So he's a big boy. Look at him. At 3 months. Hi. So today what we need is what is that called?
A T-bar.
A T-bar?
Something.
A hammer T-bar. What is that called?
That's a post driver.
A post driver. And a level. And a measuring tape.
Because?
And a grandma. Because we're putting up a fence. It's for llamas.
For goats.
For goats.
Yeah. Maybe
2.
llamas. Maybe llamas. Eventually.
Llama Dad?
Yeah. Barack Obama.
Llama Del Rey? Actually, Barack Llama, I think, was like the top name for a llama for like clever llama names.
It was.
And I think that's honestly an honor.
We gotta name one Matilda.
Why Matilda? Oh, right. I know why. I get it. Okay, so what's our plan with the painter's pole?
So the painter's pole is going to be used as a marker. Oh, that's 6 feet exactly. It's
Is
going to
it?
be used as a marker. So the fence has to be 6 feet high, and instead of us grabbing this out every single time to make sure we're driving it in the right depth, we're just going to use the painter's pole. So this first one, for example, has to be driven down this much.
How tall are the T-bar? They're 8 feet, right?
8 feet, yeah.
So they have 2 feet of room to go into the ground?
That's correct. Just like that.
I'm glad to see you're wearing the proper shoes today.
Thanks. I always wear these shoes and they're always proper.
Can I try? But this is the first one. I think we should both break ground together.
Okay. Just tap it a little bit more. That's it.
Tap it in.
That's it. That's it. Perfect.
Tap it in. What's that from?
I don't know.
What?
I have no idea.
What's that from? Happy Gilmore.
Tap it in.
When he's got the ball and he's like, just go home, ball. That feels sturdy?
Yeah.
Run into it like you're a goat.
Pull down more. Okay. Let's go. Next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
the fencing for this space is completely done. Well, like the posts. We still have to put in a doorway. I am getting attacked by mosquitoes right now. Oh my gosh. Oh! Hi guys. The doorway is just gonna go over here. But this is gonna be the pen for the goats. What's tomorrow?
Wednesday,
But specifically what day?
August the 26th.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
What day is that?
my birthday.
Mm-hmm. What did you ask for?
Socks and a charger.
Do you remember what happened the first time that we started dating?
No. Yes. What happened?
I had all these plans, and then
Yeah.
all of a sudden you started dropping hints
Yeah.
really close to your birthday, like,
Okay,
should I buy myself a cake?
but I shouldn't have.
No, you shouldn't have.
No.
And then what happened this year?
Nothing. I just want socks and a charger.
It's your birthday.
It is my birthday.
Where are we going?
I have no idea.
How long of a drive is too long of a drive?
In this thing, I could probably do like 5 hours and it'll be fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How long have we been driving already?
I don't know, 20 minutes, not even.
Okay, cool.
15 minutes.
Not bad. We're officially an hour down.
Yeah.
How much longer do you think we have to go?
I have no idea.
So we have 2 hours left.
2 hours left?
Yes. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Where's your water? Did you finish it? You want some more? Come here.
That's not actually Starbucks coffee, it is water.
Or is it? Here I have the blindfold that you just found out you're gonna have to wear.
Yes, I did, and I'm frightened for my life. I'm questioning how well I know you. You gonna murder me?
Oh, come on. Do you really think you're murder-worthy? I'm just kidding. Of course you are. But no, I'm not going to.
Oh my gosh.
Are you getting excited?
I'm getting nervous. I'm not excited about anything right now. I'm just nervous.
Really?
Yes.
I feel bad for you. It's your birthday.
Right. Yeah, I know.
I'm sorry to do this to you.
Maybe you should have told me what we were doing.
Well, you're gonna find out in like 15 minutes anyways, so it doesn't really matter, does it?
Okay.
You can take the blindfold off.
Alrighty.
Do you see the one with the bow?
Yes.
Can you guess which one's yours?
You bought me a donkey?
Are you excited?
Absolutely. Can I touch him?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Hi. Hi, buddy.
What are you gonna name him?
Oh my god. I have no idea. Hi, buddy. Hi. What is going on?
Are you pumped?
I am.
Was it worth a 3-hour drive?
There's people.
Was it worth a 3-hour drive?
It was.
So how excited were you about your birthday present?
I was very, very excited.
Scale of 1 to 10.
12.
Okay. So the fence that we were putting in was over here. We are going to be putting fence in behind there as well, and a fence in over here as well. So it's going to be 3 separate pastures. Plus, we have the, I guess it's electrical fence back here, which is about 3 to 4 acres. And that'll just be for the donkeys. Bigger animals, we wouldn't put goats and stuff over there.
Yeah.
Because they'd be able to probably squeeze through.
That's when he feels like jogging.
Yeah. Tammy was absolutely incredible. That's who we got the donkey from. So helpful, so knowledgeable. We'll probably be like calling her a million times, like a million questions about like
sure.
little things.
Yeah.
She was amazing. Her farm was absolutely incredible as well. She had the cutest ducks. We didn't film much while we were there because we wanted to be respectful of her space, of course. But it was absolutely lovely. And I can't wait to watch our farm grow.
I know. I'm so excited to get him. We get him at the end of October.
That's
the
right.
And then in the meantime, hopefully we find some goats and stuff. The fencing over here is almost complete. Well, the first section, and then we got to do a couple more sections. But yeah, I'm pumped.
And there's another surprise coming in 6 weeks,
That's right.
but I'm not telling you.
It's not a baby.
It's a surprise.
I'm just warning them because everybody gets super excited when you say surprise, like, "Oh, you're having a baby."
We're
It's
not doing
We're
it.
not doing that ever.
Not yet. What? No.
No,
All right. Not right now.
No, exactly. We're
All
not
right.
ready.